Only gonna do this one time. Tailor made. Talking about everything tailor made. Yeah. Check. On the road trip to Vegas, and that's 14 carats, so them gold diggers craving. Put it in the pipe just like them old niggas blazing. We finna get this. Shit, I show niggas daily. I never met a girl in my life that wouldn't date me, true story. My jeans cost about $240. I fucked 2 shorties in a house that's 2 stories. I can't wear regular shit, it's too boring. So when she see a nigga like me, she come join this designer shit. Gotta owe her marijuana by the China shit. That dime, you know I wanna meet your mama shit. No hooks, you know we all about that rhyming shit. Cash money, independent, big time and shit. I said, girl, I know you fine and shit. But goddamn, why can't I just make you mine and shit? Why you always acting like you blind and shit? I know you love the way that we be grinding it, but I don't like the niggas you be riding with. And them the ones you always end up signing with. Don't ask me when you see me who I'm signing with. Whoever got the most money is who I'm vibing with. Fuck that, who the fuck I'm even jiving with? I'm already in the scope, ain't no hiding it. I just wanna lay back to recline in it. No, I wanna lay back and take my time with it. If you getting cheese, say one time with it. And if you on your knees, take your time with it. I might can't go and go toothy. Man, I told y'all these hoes stupid. I wouldn't fuck no bitch named Stacks. And real niggas made shit on wax. Fucking Fruity Loops. All your shit so whack. Cause real niggas made shit on that. You fucking rappers. You niggas couldn't hit on bats. You ain't shit, nigga, sit on that.